Before I continue discussing the markets, please take this moment now with helping me and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click subscribe. Click this bell. Click all. This helps you receive a notification when I post my next videos. Next, click the thumbs up button every time you watch my videos. Okay, let's continue with the view of the markets. Welcome to another video of Winning Wall Street's Money. It's 2:38 p.m. New York time. Going to look at some stocks that recently got listed in the stock exchange after their IPO dates. We're going to be looking at two grids, and the stock would be on the left, compared to be the stock index on the right, which is the S&P 500 cash index Sierra Papa X-ray. When you hear me say the letters, I'm saying in the phonetic alphabet. So on the left, stock symbol Alpha India. It's a technology stock. Got listed on this day here. When it got listed that day, it closed lower than its opening. And currently it's trading here at its all-time high for the week, or since it became public offered. Again, each of these candles is a daily. So it's at its all-time high versus the SP 500 was at the all-time high last Friday. Let's look at the next one. Alpha Bravo November Bravo Communication Services. Yes, Airbnb. That was the day of the IPO. Closed right on the day of its IPO. And then after its IPO, the next day it went lower, trending down. The momentum was down. It reversed. Now it's at its all-time high, compared to the S&P 500 here. On to the next. Excuse me. Symbol Delta Alpha Sierra Hotel. Also the sector's communication services. IPO was this day. Since then, it's traded lower. Here we are now, still lower than the high. It's one of the weaker IPOs. Underperforming. Not so good. Let's go to the next. Romeo, Kilo, Tango. It's in the financial services, rocket companies. It's a longer duration, so let's open it for 1 year. There was the high. See if we go back even further. Nope. It's been less than 1 year. IPO down here. That was the IPO day. It ran to its high. All-time high was right there. Since then, it's sold off. It's below its all-time high, inside the range the day it opened. Not a good performing stock since its IPO. Versus the S&P 500, all-time high was last Friday. And this all-time high was many months ago. On to the next one. Uniform Papa, Sierra Tango. Financial services. Recent IPO was last week. IPO'd on this day. Got listed this day. Went higher. All-time high was last Friday. And today it's forming an inside bar, inside candle. What does that mean? It means the high and low do not go above or below the prior trading period. Indecision. Because it's a solid body, it means red. Versus if it's a hollow body, it'd be equivalent to a green. Yeah. Let's go on to the next. Whiskey India Sierra Hotel. It is a consumer silica stock. IPO was this day last week. Huge trading range. All-time high was last Friday. We are below that, and we made a lower low. Again, the daily candle's not done yet, but there's already a sell-off. Let's compare to some stocks that are the leaders. That on a shorter time frame. Tesla, all-time high was last Friday. Inside candle today. Let's look at Apple. All-time high 3 days ago. Microsoft. All-time high was back there. Here we are now. So you got a general idea of looking at some technology stocks versus IPOs. And we'll see at the end of the week, because the week's not over yet, how they form on the on the weekly time frame. With a weekly time frame, each candle represents a week. And doing that, you get a better perspective of the strength, how we got there and where we are. So since some of these stocks or IPOs are not around long enough to have done that, it's going to be a while till they build that up. But again, let's do the first one. Alpha India. So for the week, it's trading below the low of last week, where SPX is inside the range of last week. Airbnb. Is trading above, again, their daily's not done yet, but it's trading for the high for the weekly period. Let's look at Dash. Each candle represents a week. And we are below, back inside the range of last week. So the takeaway is some of these IPOs don't look so good on the higher time frame, which is, again, referred to as a slower time frame, the weekly, but it gives a better view. What's going on? Yep. Romeo Kilo Tango for the weekly, making lower low from last week. That trend is down. Uniform Papa Sierra Tango for the weekly, it's an inside candle inside the range of last week. So again, that's not done yet, the week. And the last one, Whiskey India Sierra Hotel. Inside the range of last week. Now we see a bigger picture of what's going on with some of these, even on the weekly, more clearly than the daily. We'll do a follow back up sometime in the near future of these IPOs, see how they're still performing compared to the S&P 500. If you like this market information I've shared and want to learn more with greater detail, step-by-step training, I have a Patreon page. I share trade ideas for earning monthly income. Below in the description box, click Show More. Scroll down. This link here, click on it. Take you here to my Patreon page. Select the membership and join. Then you have access to unlock my posts.